Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van On Company. It is Monday, December 28th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. You had quiet trade, and that's pretty much what you're probably going to see for the remainder of the week. You're coming off a short holiday week. We have another short holiday week. Markets closing halfway through the day on Thursday, closed on Friday. So there wasn't a whole lot of volume out there. You came out of the bats with beans being lower, mostly because you had, it looks like rain coming into Brazil, and so you built in a little bit of premium a couple weeks ago, and you're slowly taking that out. Beans down about 8 to 10 cents, corn down about 3 to 4, wheat down 1. One thing to note is that corn is very close to the lows where it bounces off the last 3 or 4 times. It's bounced anywhere from about 355 to 360 or 361. If this follows true to what we've seen over the last little bit, which nothing fundamentally has changed, you should find some solid support here. Beans a little bit of a different story. You still have 15 cents until you really get to that level where they've bounced off previously. Over into the meat markets, you're having a little bit of breather into the live cattle, feeder cattle market. Lives and feeders both down about 60 to $1.20 there. Lean hogs up about 80 cents, maybe seeing some cattle hog spreading going on. Outside markets quiet there, but all in the red, just slightly. Crude, the dollar, and Dow all slightly lower. Not a whole lot moving forward there. One thing to note is that you're not going to get a lot of fundamental news here for a couple more weeks. January's crop report's coming up in a couple weeks, and that's going to be the big one. They do finalize production out of that report. So that's really going to set trend for the next couple weeks coming into it, really, or the couple months really coming into March until you get to the end of the month when you have planting progress or planting ideas there. And so you're finalizing production there. Big thing to note is that they will be, adjusting or, finalizing the yield numbers. So that's going to make a big change too into both soybeans and corn. And then moving forward, you're going to be based off demand side of things. So, not a lot of information coming forward. You're probably going to see choppy trade like we have last week. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.